Good morning, everybody, friends and followers of the SETI Institute. I'm here still, thankfully, on the Ocean Victory in the South Atlantic. We have now officially entered the waters of the South Polar region. We are at 60.2 degrees south latitude and about 52.3 degrees west longitude. We're still steaming about west-southwest or southwest towards Elephant Island at the very tip of the Antarctic Peninsula. Elephant Island, of course, being most noteworthy as the place where Ernest Shackleton's crew from the Endurance survived for months on their own while he sought to rescue them after their ship was lost to the ice back in the early part of the 1900s. I'm not sure I'm remembering exactly the date, but I believe around 1911 or thereabouts. Unbelievable conditions. It's an unbelievable survival story. If you've not ever heard of it or read it, look up Ernest Shackleton, look up the voyage of the Endurance and the incredible rescue mission that took place. Also, where we were earlier, South Georgia Island played into that drama as Shackleton made his way in a small boat, a small tender, from Elephant Island under unbelievable conditions with three other crew, two others, I believe, from Elephant Island to South Georgia Island in, again, a small tender with sails, a 17-day journey in unbelievable conditions. But he managed to get there to a whaling station and ultimately come back and rescue all of his men, none of whom perished during their time on Elephant Island. A remarkable story. In any case, very exciting to be here. Elephant Island is very remote. Few people or places go there. This wasn't even on our original itinerary, but weather conditions and other situations have been such that that's where we're headed. We're going to be able to circumnavigate that island and take a look at it and explore it before we head further south into the peninsula. So looking forward to that. Hoping the weather calms a bit. We had 9-meter seas last night, about 30 feet. Interesting to lie down under those conditions and you feel the forces on your body. You feel compression, you feel expansion. At times walking on the ship, you feel moments of weightlessness. Rather amazing. But still, I'm pretty impressed with how the ship handles these heavy seas. And hopefully that continues to be the case. Anyway, we'll come back to you with more updates, but thought I'd let you know that here we are finally now in the South Polar region on our own home planet. We are now approaching Elephant Island in the South Atlantic, and there's an extraordinary sight behind me. I'm going to turn the camera around just to show you, but there's a snow-capped mountain just rising straight up out of the sea. It looks like something from Lord of the Rings or something otherworldly. Just spectacular, beautiful, cold, sunny and clear. Unfortunately, we didn't have this weather for the eclipse, but we've got it as we approach the island and the peninsula of Antarctica. So spectacular. Let me flip this around. And if you can make that out, it's just an extraordinary sight. Nothing on either side of the edges of that mountain, just a mountain that rises straight up out of the sea. Not sure how tall it is, not sure what the name is. We'll try to find out. But over here as well, another landmass with snow-capped mountains rising straight up out of the sea. Lenticular clouds formed above it. Deep, deep blue, beautiful sea. And again, we're approaching Elephant Island. We'll be there around 8 p.m. or so tonight. So another couple of hours of sailing. We'll just be circling around that island and then heading down further south to the peninsula itself. And going ashore once we reach the peninsula, and we'll have more for you at that time. But just a stunning sight. I wanted to share this with everybody, and stay tuned. We'll have more for you tomorrow. Take care.